Hello, this is Roboter STEM Training, and my name is Ubai Mikoridi. I'm the CAD and Mechatronics instructor for Roboter STEM Training. So I'll be taking you through the overview of what will be coming up in the month of August. It's a free summer program here in Roboter STEM Training. So it will be coming up from the 5th of August to the 23rd of August, and it's a very power-packed program whereby you'll be learning a lot of tech skills. And like I said earlier, I'll be taking the CAD and Mechatronics on that day, so you can watch us for that. So today I'll just be showing you an overview of what you'll be going through. Can you see that the timetable for the Mechatronics from the day 1 to the day 5 for the for the week 1? Can you see that we have the introduction to CAD and Mechatronics, we have the history and future of Mechatronics, and so on and so forth. And we also have a project that has been designated for each of this week. So you are going to learn a lot. So the week 2 also, we are going to be introducing ourselves to another CAD software, which is SolidWorks. As you can know that in the week 1, we introduced ourselves to AutoCAD, which is one of the major leading CAD design software. So the week 2, we are going to be introducing ourselves to SolidWorks, and in the week 3, we are going to be diving fully into Mechatronics, where we'll be having hands-on projects and we'll be working with a lot of skills. So now, also on my screen, you can see some of the week 1 projects we did that we are going to work on here. Can you see this now? This is an example of the plan of a building. Can you see that? So you have a building here. Now it looks like an ordinary architectural drawing whereby you just have lines running up and down. But trust me, you can easily add a bit of aesthetics to this and make this to be a model drawing. Can you see that? So now this is basically what CAD does. It brings out your imagination and it turns them to reality. Can you see that? Now this is looking like a real house in 3D formats. Now we've changed it from 2D, from a regular sketch to a 3D building. Can you see that? And we are going to be showing you how to roof this and how to create not just buildings, also machine parts. Now this is the AutoCAD we talked about, we'll be discussing about in week 1, and at the end of the week 1, you're going to be designing something like this or something bigger than this. I'll be expecting you. So now also after that, we are going to be working with another leading software, which is the SolidWorks. Can you see that on the screen? Here, you can see that this is loading. Now this is the another CAD software that is very useful for designing machine parts and machine tools. You can also use this to model buildings, but so many professions can use this and it can be used in various forms. Now this is a cover box for a panel, and you also find out that in most of your appliances you have the user manual whereby they show you how to couple things. You can also do all of this on your SolidWorks. Now I'll be showing you the coupling details for this particular part here. Can you see that here on the screen here? So it shows you the precision of how this particular box is being made, the section, the side view, the rear view, and a lot of things. And even also on SolidWorks, CAD is not just limited to regular profession or any profession. This is the profession designated to CAD. Anybody can use CAD. On the screen here, you'll be seeing a table and a chair. Like this is being designed using the SolidWorks. Can you see this? So this is being designed using SolidWorks. So whether you're a welder, whether you're a furniture, this is not limited to any age bracket. You can also learn CAD to excite and amuse your clients. So you can easily show your clients what your design actually look like in real time before you couple them. And CAD is not just limited to designing furniture or inanimate objects. You can also go as far as creating panels, like computer panels, like motherboard. Now on the screen here, now what you're looking at is an Arduino board. Like some of us that are very familiar with robotics and mechatronics, this is a major controller. This is an Arduino board. Can you see that? So this is an Arduino board on our screen here. So this is very useful and a very important component to designing a lot of things, from panels to components to inanimate objects to machine tools. Now, and lastly, I'll be showing you one of the most common things you design on SolidWorks, and these are machine tools. Now on the screen here, you're looking at a gearbox. Now a gearbox is commonly used by those in the mechanical field, so you can add your precision to this. You can even go as far as rendering them or animating them to show how they work in real time, to show you errors and to show you a lot of things on CAD design software. All these are what you'll be benefiting in the course of 3 weeks in the Robota Free Summer Program. I'll be expecting you. See you there.